morning, good afternoon, good night. As always, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, an amazing afternoon, and you're gonna have a good night. We are on our way to go get donuts right now. 7:42. We got Eli pulling up for sure, Xavier pulling up for sure, and maybe Rashad and Jay pulling up. So we'll see if they come. If they do, I'm gonna install these taillights really quick and we're gonna hit up downtown, just take some photos, cruise downtown, stuff like that. But right now, it's breakfast time. So we're gonna get donuts, and then we'll be back at the crib and start installing the shadow taillights, the smoke taillights. Oh my God. Woo! Goodbye. Alright, we're back. Just so y'all know, this isn't going to be like an install video. Like, I'm going to show a little bit how to do it. But I'm getting it off a video. So I'm just going to tell y'all to go watch the video I'm watching, which is the Auto Addicts, which is exactly who this is from. Let's take a quick peep at what we got here. So I actually bought these off of a dude in my area because he already had a pair. But you know what, I'll pull them out later. Y'all can wait for that. But that's what it looks like before. Dude, the glare from the sun, oh my gosh. You can hardly see. Anyways.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
We just finished. You can't even. There you go. That's what it looks like. There was a bolt right here. The worst bolt ever. Looks tough. Boy got that S1000. That's slow POS. What's up, children? Well, put it back on. Where you at, Owen? Owen. Alright, so the lights are on, but the car is running extremely lean for whatever reason. So I pulled out my little database tool, as you can see. Right there. Scanning the car. The taillights look great. Who the hell is that with the boat? Anyways, taillights look great. A little dirty, even though we literally just put them on. But I'm trying to figure out why it is running lean and I need it to stop, because it's not doing it anymore, but it sounded cammed, and then like the throttle would cut out anytime. I just barely stepped on it, not even full throttle. So I'm gonna figure that out. Need a charger for my phone, but anyways, anytime I do something. We've been sitting in traffic for 45 minutes, 7 minutes away, but there's a good old city in Dallas. We have Jay. We have Rashad. And Alex is going to be shooting our content. Goodbye, Mr. Biker Man. Goodbye. We out taking photos. Some beautiful scenery.
Everybody look long. They said it.
I
say nigga I'm from the dirty south. With closed mouth, don't get fed. The wish a nigga would say put money on your head. Ayy, got his arm out, he showing money spread. I work for every damn dollar, abbreviation going feed. My mama went to Carter in '88, she won't be Roxanne. Talking high school back when on still with top 10. My